Hello guys, welcome to the fourth part of the WhatsApp Cloud API video series. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps you need to take in order to access WhatsApp Cloud API and send your first test message using it. So first, you need to head out to Meta for Developers and log into your developer account or create one by linking your Facebook account with it. Then go to My Apps section and click on Create App. Now you need to select business as the app type and click on next. Enter your business name and your email ID and leave the business account field empty since Meta automatically creates one for you if you don't have one already. You might be prompted to type in your Facebook password after this. The app is created. Now you need to add WhatsApp in this app. So scroll down until you see it and then click on setup. Now you'll see a screen with terms and conditions to use WhatsApp Cloud API. Read those if you want. You can leave the business manager field empty again or select it if you already have one. I'll select the one I use for test accounts, then click continue. Great. We have made the app now and also connected it to WhatsApp successfully. Let's see how we can send a test message using Cloud API. As you can see, Facebook provides us with a test number to use. All we need to do is add a recipient's phone number in the field below. I have already added this number to save time, but make sure you add a number which you can access because you need to verify it with an OTP. Scroll down and click on send message. And bingo, you have successfully used Cloud API to send your first test message on WhatsApp. You can use WhatsApp Cloud API for services such as delivery updates, customer services, selling products, and user research, which will enhance your customer experience. I hope you liked the video, which is part of the WhatsApp Cloud API video series. Hit like and subscribe because we are covering the entirety of WhatsApp Cloud API and we'll be covering more questions you might have regarding Cloud API. Until then, adios amigos.